Okay guys, are you ready for this? This is a review of the Instant Vortex Plus from the makers of Instant Pot. Now, you guys know they're probably one of the largest communities on Facebook. They have well over a million views, probably even 2 million. They're huge. People who have Instant Pots love their Instant Pot. I'm more of a fan of the Ninja Foodie. But we're going to review this today, show it to you up close so you can see whether you want to get one of these or not. Now, to explain my other previous video of don't buy air fryers, this is back in the day. I filmed that video when there was only 6 and 8 quart air fryers. But this air fryer is a 10 quart. And that allows you to make a full meal for your entire family, and that's what excited me, that I found a 10 quart. Plus, I like the design. It kind of looks like a little toaster oven. But let's take a up close look. Come on in close and take a look at the box. Alright, I love looking at the box because the box shows you everything that this thing can do. They brag about it on the outside. It gives you kind of a sneak peek. So as you can see on the box here, it's 7-in-1. It's an air fryer. It bakes. It can roast. It can toast. It can broil, dehydrate, and rotisserie. So it can even be used as a dehydrator, which is kind of a plus because a lot of you make your own vegetable chips. A lot of you make your own venison jerky. So this can be used for that. It even has a rotisserie basket and a big rotisserie rod that comes with it. But I won't be doing that today. And once again, it's a 10 quart. There is an Instant Pot app that you can get tons of recipes and stuff. But yeah, this box is a great looking shot of this. Now, I've looked at it up close. It looks bigger on the box, put it that way. All right. It's got the word Instant on the front. It's got a clock there. So let's pull it out and take a look at it. Okay, before I grab all the styrofoam out of here, I want to make sure that you guys can see this basket. It's like a rotisserie basket. And I'm pulling the styrofoam out now, and the basket's going to come with it. It's all packed in here. So it has a rotisserie basket. Just wanted to show you guys. It fits right in there, and it cranks away. Not sure how it works. I guess you can put wings in there. You can put vegetables in there. And it just tosses it. We're going to do a video just on the basket. Okay, they give you a drip tray that goes right at the bottom. Just slides right in. It's all non-stick. And then they give you 2 of these shelves that are non-stick. That's what we're going to be using today. Let's make sure we got all our styrofoam out. Make sure all the packing is out of the device. Look at the size of that. Now I can put a whole fryer chicken in here, right on there, and it would do beautiful. But I'm not doing that today. What I'm doing is we're going to be using this for cooking purposes. Okay, we just plugged it in now. We have it in the off position. I'm going to go prepare the chicken, but I want to preheat this. So I want to do air fry. I want to do, whoops, I don't want to do minutes. I want to do temp. And chicken takes about an hour at 350, so let's use the timer too. Yeah, it jumps pretty fast. There we go. Okay, it is now preheated. It took us about 3 minutes to preheat. That's not bad at all. Still preparing the chicken right now, so we will get that in a minute. Okay, as you can see, we've seasoned all the chicken. And on this side is the winner of our Blackstone seasoning, Crazy Cajun. And on this side is the winner of our Pit Boss seasoning, Mango Magic. So we're going to pop those in. We have them on both the shelves. We're going to pop them in the air fryer and try it out. Okay, let's open the door now. It's ready. You can open the door and it stops. Place your chicken in there. Take this first shelf. Put it right in there. Be careful. That door is hot. Put that in there. Bring the other one. Put that in there. There you go. It's fully loaded now. Close the door. And it's good. It starts right up. And you can see it too. That's what's cool. Put the light on. Okay, this is supposed to warn you about halfway through the cook about rotating the shelves and swapping them out. So I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to swap the shelves myself. Make sure you got one of these gloves. Okay, so let's open it and just wait it out and slowly take the shelves out. Okay, so the top shelf cooked faster. That chicken's already done, but this one wasn't done yet. Look how beautiful that chicken's come out. Okay, now's the time to try the chicken, but before we try the chicken, I want to tell you about something. These hats, these Cooking with Jack hats, they're not on my merchandise shelf yet. I don't know why. YouTube's taken forever. I'll put a link down below so you can get straight to these hats. Order one if you want. A lot of people have been writing me about them. So these are the new hats. I ordered myself one, and they're pretty cool. They're stitched. Really cool. All right, enough about the hats. Let's talk chicken. So here we go. This thing worked flawlessly. So I'll have a link down below if you're interested in getting one of these. I'll look around for the lowest price and I'll post it down below. But I bought mine on Amazon Prime Day at a low price. Walmart had a bunch of stuff on sale too. It wasn't Amazon, but Walmart was competing with Amazon, so they put this on sale. I'm going to see. I hope it's still at that price. That'd be pretty cool. But anyway, there'll be a link down below. And oh yeah, on the next video we're going to be doing veggie chips in here. So Tammy loves veggie chips. This has a dehydrator function. So let's try it out and show you how to use it.